Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching from. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Gentle Media. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bring PowerPoint software into vMix. Yes, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the tutorial. Don't forget, my name is Victor Eje. This is Gentle Media. Right, so this is my vMix right here, and here is my PowerPoint. I have this PowerPoint slide that we'll be using for this tutorial. Okay, now let's go to our vMix, go to add inputs, go to NDI and desktop capture, go to local desktop capture, and then you will see your PowerPoint right here. Click it and come to this window capture method. Click the drop down arrow and select Windows Graphic Capture. Okay, so we have our PowerPoint, but take note, there is no way you can send the output directly to one PC. Using PowerPoint, you need to use two PC. Yes, it makes it easier so that one PC will be doing the PowerPoint and will be sending to you on the vMix while you will be projecting it. Yes, it makes the work easier. All right, so but I'll be showing you how to get your output screen, because if I go to my PowerPoint now, and I press Shift F5, this is my output, right? All right, let's Alt tab and go to our vMix. You will see, you can see it's not giving us the output, but I'll show you how to achieve the output. Okay, let's escape this. Escape. Let's go to our vMix. All right, so we are going to zoom this to get only the output screen. So let's double click on the PowerPoint, come to position, make sure you are on main, all right, so now let's this first zoom right here. Now just zoom it, left click and move it to the right, zoom it, come to this screen, drag it, zoom it again, come to this place, can drag it, make sure the white edge is not showing, so we still have to zoom it a bit. uh, all right, so we have our PowerPoint outputs. You can see how clear it is. So if I go to my PowerPoint now and I make any changes, let's go to our vMix, you will see it's changing. So if I make any changes to my PowerPoint, if I want to do any typing, okay, let me duplicate this slide. Let's right click and duplicate the slide so that we'll type something and see. Let's say how to bring PowerPoint into vMix. Okay, let's just make it 2 lines and see. All right, take for instance, this is what we've edited. Now let's go to our vMix. You can see is on our output. All right, so if you want to make the work easier, you will do a two-way connection using two PC. Yes, you connect two PC together, one for the PowerPoint and the other one for this easy worship. There you can achieve, once they send the output, you will see it on your vMix. So I'll be doing a tutorial on how you can connect two systems, one for PowerPoint and the other one for vMix. Okay, so let me show you how you can remove this screen so that you'll be left with only the right top. Okay, let's change this and see. All right, let's remove this green so we can overlay it on our camera. Take for instance, let me go and bring in a video and use it as camera. Let's drag it here. All right, take for instance, this is our camera. Okay, now we want to overlay this PowerPoint on the camera. Now you double click on the PowerPoint, double click on it, go to color key, click it. Right, so just click this pen tool right here, just click it, and then where you are seeing this green, just click to remove the green. But if you look closely, you will see green shadows. You will see the green shadow on it. How to remove that green shadow? Come to your chroma key filter and then just tick it, and then everything will be clean for you. You can see No green shadow. Now let's close this and overlay. And let's close it and overlay our camera. And let's close it. Let's overlay it on our camera and see. Overlay input 2. Let's press input 2. You can see it. So if I go to my PowerPoint and change the slide, if you come back to your vMix, you can see. Okay, so that's how to bring PowerPoint into vMix using one PC. In my next tutorial, I will show you how to do it using two PCs. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload new tutorial. Don't forget, my name is Victor Eje. This is Gentle Media.